Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change keyboard size on Android. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. First of all, there are many keyboards, and in this video I am assuming you are using this keyboard which is from Google called as gboard. So here you have to click on these four boxes, and as soon as you click here, this kind of options will pop up. Here we have to click on resize to resize the keyboard. These are the options. We just have to hold this and just move your finger upwards, and this is how you can make your keyboard smaller, bigger according to you. So if I set it on this, I just have to click on this tick box to done with this, and yeah, as you can see, the keyboard is now shorter. And also, if you want to move your keyboard to right or left, for that you just have to again click on these four boxes, and here you have to find the option for one-handed. As you can see here, click there, and yeah, there you go. We have now shifted our keyboard to left hand, and if you want to shift it to right hand, what you have to do, just click on this arrow button. From this button you can just move the keyboard according to your need. Now to set this keyboard as normal, you only have to click on this four arrow and the keyboard will get normal. So this is how you can change keyboard size on Android. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.